Definitely, age does not matter to begin the journey of success. It's none other than Ditya V from nursery. At the age of 2.6 years, she has made a room for herself in the India Book of Records 2024. So she deserves a big round of applause. Let's know about her achievements. At the age of 1.7 years, she was able to recognize and perceive A for apple, B for ball until Z for zebra, recognizing 9 shapes, 13 colors, English alphabets A to Z, numbers 1 to 30, days of the week, months of the year, and 15 English rhymes, 12 shlokas. Oh my God, what an amazing is this. I take the privilege to call upon stage baby Ditya V along with her parents, Mr. Vivek N and Mrs. Ramya HK. Please welcome them. Please, ma'am. Congratulations. What a remarkable milestone. This shows the hard work and efforts of the parents too. So I request Mrs. Sarika Narayan to felicitate Ditya.